One way English is a must to pass actually in order to get into poly. Riders' work has helped me by giving me informative practices and extra lessons after class. Also, I've learned effective study techniques. Teachers also asked me questions on the spot to test me on my oral and help me gain more confidence in my oral. So, some specific oral techniques I've been taught is, example, scare and peel. Scare is a technique that we can use to tackle oral questions so that we can have a better flow of the oral, so that when we see the oral questions, we won't be stumbled, don't know what to answer. Regarding about essay writing, I've learned many different techniques in essay writing and also the different types of essay questions in English. For me, if I look at the question, I would need to first identify what's the question type before I'm able to write out. If not, I'll be off track. Let's say a question is a discursive, but I wrote a personal reflective. That is a wrong way of writing. So it will land me in a different band at a lower score. So yes, I did actually. I think it was, what does tourism mean to you? So it's like an argumentative essay. These phrases, I can easily memorize them so that I'm prepared for the exam. So whenever I'm faced with an essay question, I'm able to write it out immediately and not stumble over there thinking, what should I write? How should I lengthen my compo? I strongly believe that Sec 1 and Sec 2 should start early and get help immediately. If not, you will be struggling in Sec 3 because Sec 3 workload is a lot and there's a lot of things need to be learned, especially in other subjects also. One way English is a must to pass actually in order to get into poly. So actually workload is one. Secondly is the difficulty also spiked a lot. Comprehension has also changed a lot. Thank you so much. Ken, thank you so much.